Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify to Meta ads. First, make sure you have an active Shopify store and a Meta Business Manager account ready. This integration is essential for running successful ad campaigns and accurately tracking your sales data. We'll walk through linking your Shopify store directly to your Meta Business Manager, setting the foundation for powerful advertising. Next, you'll install the Meta Pixel on your Shopify store. This small piece of code is incredibly important as it tracks all website activity, giving you valuable data on customer behavior. This data is then used to optimize your ad targeting and measure campaign performance. We'll guide you through setting up standard events like add to cart and purchase for comprehensive insights. Now, let's sync your Shopify product catalog with your Meta Business Manager. This step is crucial for creating dynamic product ads that automatically display relevant items to your customers based on their browsing history. We'll then explore how to effectively utilize audience targeting to reach potential buyers who are most likely to convert, maximizing your ad spend. Finally, it's time to optimize and troubleshoot your ad campaigns. Regularly review your performance metrics, like return on ad spend and cost per purchase, to identify areas for improvement. We'll also cover common troubleshooting steps for issues such as pixel errors or catalog sync problems, ensuring your ads run smoothly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.